How to add Railcard to Oyster Card. To add a Railcard to your Oyster Card in London, you need to follow some steps. Make sure your Railcard is eligible to be added to your Oyster Card. Most types of Railcards can be added. However, not all Railcards are eligible. So it's best to check the specific terms and conditions. If you haven't already, you may need to register your Railcard online. This usually involves providing personal details and a photo. Take your Oyster card and rail card to a ticket office at an authorized Oyster ticket shop. Present both cards to the staff and request that your rail card be added to your Oyster card. Provide necessary information. Wait for processing. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.